creatives! Today we are going to be checking out some paintbrushes. Master's Touch paintbrushes. I got them at Hobby Lobby. Moving right along. I am going to use the golden Taklon. Again, I don't know what golden Taklon is. 1500 angular shader. This was $11.99, or not $11.99, $6. And this is the 3/4 or 3/4. So this one is a different shape. It has shorter bristles. I have used very similar brushes to this before, but the bristles were longer, and then I had one that was narrower, but I haven't used this particular size before. So here we go. Can I get a little more water on there? Okay, so this one I can get pretty straight lines with. Like I said, I've used this one before. It's a pretty straightforward brush. For this one, the bristles are really easy to control. It's really soft, and the paint it doesn't hold a lot of paint, and so you have to either get more paint or get your paintbrush wet to kind of revive it. Okay, what I'm noticing with the larger one is that it's creating these very smooth lines. And when the paint runs out, it's still very, very smooth. With this other one, the smaller angular brush, it almost creates like, it's more broken up. It's not so smooth as it runs out of paint. So this is the smoothness, and it really blends together nicely. And this kind of has like a break that I was expecting the bigger brush to have too, and it doesn't, which is kind of neat. Golden Taklon angular shader, size 3/4. I didn't like this brush. I think that it's okay. I think that I've used brushes that were way less expensive, that were not $12, that I actually really loved, that I got for a few dollars at Walmart, and they performed equally as well, but they were full synthetic and weren't anything else. And they worked really well. They held the paint really well. They gave a really smooth application. So I think depending on what you're trying to do with this brush, it is probably is a fine brush. For what I like to do, it didn't perform. So we'll see once maybe the bristles loosen up a little bit or something. I'm not really sure. It's, I don't know, 2 out of 5 stars, I guess. Okay, so there you have it. All right, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.